Hello guys, in today's video I got a very old piece of tech. I'm gonna review it in this video, so let's see what I got. So I'm gonna say already that it's a phone, and what do you think 2003 and what you should getting with the phone? Like at that time phones was not having not much phone had a camera and everything, but look, let me show the phone itself for now. Yeah, the focus doesn't want to focus. God damn, great. Oh my god, whatever. Just turn down this thing. So this is a Sony Ericsson t610 here. As you can see, it's in a normal condition. So there's the size of it. This button is actually like an internet shortcut to go into the internet, and on the top we have a power button on infrared something that just transfers over the infrared, transfers the files. On this side we have a camera button. Yep, this phone has a camera, and 33 millimeters. 1:2.8. I don't know how much megapixels, but I think it's recording in a TF mode. TF. So let's see what's under this back. The back, it's just slides off, and yet over the time, yeah, you can see I'm trying to twist this thing off, yep, it doesn't come off. Very nice. So the back cover has this thing. It's actually kind of melting already, so alright. You can see the model t610 Sony Ericsson. So look, we got this. We got an original battery to this phone. It's an original battery. As you can see, there's a logos going on. Sony Ericsson. Doesn't want to focus. There. So battery is made in Japan. Finished in Sweden. Huh, interesting. Yeah, so you can see already something was going on with the battery, but don't worry, it may actually still work after that. Surprisingly, the battery did not even got swallowed or something. Right now I'm gonna try to turn this on, the phone, and see if it's working. Let's see. Let's put the battery. There's a secure connections for this thing, because you need to insert it normally. So it's used to be like this. Pop. And now let's close the back. There we go. The design of this phone looks nice, dang. Let's see if the phone is even working. What do you think, it's gonna work or not? Let's see. Oh wow, it's nice phone. Turns on. By the way, I did not mention, on the bottom we have this scary thing. It's a modular thing. I don't know, it's not modular, but if it's breaks, you can change it. Alright, so headphones. You need to put in here the headphones, or serious? I think it's a microphone. Here's your goddamn headphones. It looks like a Sony Ericsson proprietary fast port or fast something. I mean, Sony. And this one is a charger. So yeah. Oh, insert SIM. Yeah, those times when you need to put a SIM card to actually use the phone. Fine. God damn it. Okay, got it out. Let's insert a SIM card. Okay, we got a SIM. Oh my god. Come on! I think it's good. Let's see. Loading something. Alright, let's see. Look, I can't just... I don't need a hand. You just stay. Okay, it didn't work. The SIM card may lose. Yep, it is. Hopefully now it's gonna turn on. A black screen. Like in a real life, it looks like kind of like a blue, but it's not an even. This screen is not even a TFT. It's like it has only one LED. Like, I don't know, maybe you can see something. Oh, look at this animation. Sony Ericsson. Alright, inactive SIM. I don't care. At least it's turned on. So, let's see. All buttons work. Good. So, let's see what we got in 2003 phone. So, a big at the time, like it was big at that time. It was big, the screen. Ooh, so we got a messaging camera. We're gonna see how the camera actually works. Let's see what's here. Sony Ericsson. I don't know what that even means. Like maybe it's a app downloader or something. Ooh, internet services. You know what? In 2003, you got a phone with the internet. But I mean, you was like paying like thousands to get it to internet. My shortcuts, I don't know what is that. Entertainment. We're gonna look at this too. Pictures and sounds. Wow. Beautiful. Phonebook. Calls. I'm gonna try to call. Connectivity. Organizer and settings. So yeah, that's it. Hopefully it's not gonna show up my... So look, there's the model. GPS is not allowed because it's inactive SIM. Alright. So first what I wanna try, I wanna see how the camera actually goes, but for fun we're gonna turn on with this button. Is it on? Wait, oh my god, it's on. But the quality is let's get this Nokia here to work with it. Oh my god. Look, I can actually like do this. Focus. There. Look. Oh my god. There, took a photo. There is the photo. You can see like pixels, that's it. Yeah, let's save this. Yeah, it actually doesn't have even a video recording. Like, look, size. You can see the sign. Oh my god! Whoa! What the hell is going on? Yeah, you can see my. It's on large, but yeah. Night mode. Maybe it's gonna be better now. Let's try again. Took a photo. Oh my god, look at this, look. 2 FPS. Alright. Shot it. Please wait, it saves too. Oh my god. Save. Alright. We checked the camera. Now we can actually check some ringtones. Let's check the ringtones. Ring signal. Alright, that's the default ones. Oh god. Holy moly, this thing is loud. Yeah, this one is the best one I can tell. Vibrating harlot. What is it gonna do? Oh, it's vibrating. Yeah. Alarm signal. Oh, is that alarm? Right. Message alert. Alright. Okay, silent. Nothing. Click. Alright. I think it's a start ant one. Yeah, so key sound. Oh, it's beeping now. Alright, let's see display. Let's see what wallpapers it does. Okay, that's actually a pictures. It doesn't have any wallpapers. What if I'm gonna turn off? Interesting. And yeah, the navigation is like with this joystick. Alright, so let's see. Light. I don't know what that means. Themes. Oh, it's has only one. Classical. Let's select this. Please wait. Oh my god, look at the screen. Oh. Wow. Oh, look, it's changing colors. Yeah. Alright. Nothing changed. Alright, light. Automatic. Does this thing has light sensor? The sensor in it? on. Standby time will reduced light on. Consumes extra battery power. Oh no. I'm gonna go back to automatic contrast. Oh my god. What the hell? That's not even the goddamn brightness. What's the point of this shit? No, really. You're just changing the contrast of the display, not a goddamn... that stupid one light. Which, it's like, I'm gonna just put this all the way down. I think it's not gonna die faster. But it's gonna be the same shit. Because it's only like doing the panel itself, it's gonna be like darker. So, language, time and date, voice control, does this thing actually have a voice control in it? Voice down, reveal, answer, color name, voice profiles, a sound recorder. Let's see. Now record the 2 commands for playing and recording sounds. Okay, let's try. Record. Yes. Play. Right. And how do you use this thing? Wait, info. It has info, yeah. Select on all. How to turn that on? Man, goddamn. Info. Control the functions that you allow. Turn using your words. Wow. Locks. Sim. Oh no. Hands free. What the hell? Let's go back to main menu. I think it's going to be like this. Record. Oh no, my Sony Ericsson is dying. Let's see if the play feature will work. Play. Play. Why the thing is quiet? Interesting. At least it's working. Voice commands. Alright. So, right, again. Alright. Let's see. Entertainment. Games. Ooh, look at these games. Color bomb. What is that thing? Is that a... I don't know. Let's see. Start. Ooh, Java. Jobby. It's loading something. It's a space or something. Is it loading still or... Wait. What am I doing? Oh, so like I'm pressing the buttons and just doing something. I don't know how to play this thing. And this, what is that thing? Oh, Java. You goddamn Java phony. I mean, like, Java on this one, on a touch screen, this actually kind of sucks because, like, all Java games is only like for those phones, and with the touchscreen there's no games for the touchscreen phones on a Java, so that sucks. Alright, what is this? It's like a fish or something. Select. Oh no, my phone is overheated. God damn it. Okay. I don't know how to. Oh, God damn, shut up, go away. Die. Just turn off. Oh no. I was thinking I bricked. Nope. Oh my god, my phone just overheated. Mini golf. Let's see the mini golf here. Ooh. Look at this, it's a rainbow screen. Best golfers, let's see. What's the point of this when there's nothing on it? Strange. Alright. Right now, let's see what we have here. Picture editor, music DJ. Oh, that's that app, like you can create a music. Open melody. Hello. Yes. So look, I was actually already playing with this thing, so I created a music here. Let's give a listen to it. Play! Oh my god. What? It's loading like 10 hours. So yeah. Picture editor. Select type? What? What if I'm gonna select black and white? Wait a minute. Oh, it's actually, you can, wait, open. Oh, I can't edit the photo. Wait a minute. Picture editor. And I can't select my photo. I shot this phone. This. Ah, goddamn. And I can't do this. Goddamn sad, but whatever. Oh, we did a recording sound thing test. Yeah. So yeah. Alright, so let's see the connectivity. Yeah. Remember, 2003. Bluetooth. And like, let me say this. Right now I'm gonna grab my Nokia. And then we're gonna try to transfer a file. I'm gonna transfer a picture what I took the phone. Fuck that SIM card. I'm gonna try to transfer the file from a Sony Ericsson to the Nokia, and we're gonna see how fast it is. Because the Bluetooth version, if I'm not lying, it's like 1.0 because it's like a first even a Bluetooth phone. Alright, select. Of course we're gonna turn on the Bluetooth. Bluetooth is turned on. Alright. on a Nokia, you're gonna turn on a Bluetooth too. Connectivity, Bluetooth. Oh damn you, touch screen! God damn, I hate some resistive touch screens. God damn you, bastard! You know, I know how to turn on a Bluetooth. Here, with the Sony Ericsson phone. Alright, so it's on. Let's go to pictures, my pictures, and select the picture. This one was shot on a night mode. This one without night mode. You can actually see the difference. Alright, let's send this one. Send Bluetooth. That's not a phone. It's a wrong phone. Alright. It's a searching on here. Oh wait, something it found. Nokia. Connecting. Oh yep. Accept. Oops. Alright, let's see now how much it was waiting. Picture info. A 90 kilobytes, and this was a long. It was long. Alright, let's open. Nokia. There, look. Here's the picture. Oh, God damn. Yeah. So yeah, it has a Bluetooth. So, alright, let's turn off infrared port. Oops. What if I'm gonna try send it picture over infrared? Oh yeah, you can see right there, here, that the infrared is on. Look. Yeah, you can actually see. Look again. Yeah, it has an infrared. So yeah, it does have an infrared. So, VoIP options. Yeah, the phone has an internet, but I can't go to connect because inactive SIM. Alright. Let's actually turn on that fast shortcut internet button. Loading. Internet services. Oh my god, that's not good. Look, Sony Ericsson. Search engine. Picture gallery. Oh my god, why is... Yeah, to access internet you need to create a VoIP profile. No, heck, go away. Online manual. Oh, I can't even do anything. What? It's a settings. It's supposed to be going into settings. You goddamn. Alright. That data something. I don't know what it's. Yeah. Also, to lock the phone, more star. Also, look, if I'm gonna lock the phone right now, and we're gonna wait, we're gonna see a magic thing is gonna be on a phone screen. let's wait. Here, it's a time, but when the time is just dies, I don't know, you don't see anything on the screen. But I'm trying to pick up. Wait. Yeah, you can see the time right now. There. Oops. Why it's blinking? Oh, because that is... Oh no, did I mess up everything? Nope, I didn't. So yeah, nice phony to play around. Alright, let's see, timer. Six seconds. Start. Let's unlock the phone for fun. Wow, that's it. Blinks. Blinky phony. Also, I don't know if you don't know, but those buttons actually on. They are lighting up with the screen. So let me actually turn off that goddamn light. You can see they just lights up. Here. I turned off the phone. Oh no, everything is black. Oh. So yeah, I think I'm gonna stop the video because I need to go and edit this thing now. And yeah, it's like a half hour of recording this old phony. It's nice phony. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video and bye.